Let's explore how to use a BIONIC reading converter and how to convert EPUB, TXT, RTF, Microsoft Word files to BIONIC reading. So you need just to go to bionicreading.com, tap on BIONIC reading converter. It is a free tool. You don't need to pay or subscribe anything, and then you can just tap browse file and then select take photo or choose files, and then basically convert this file to BIONIC reading text, and then you can just save it. You can save it as EPUB or other format, and if, for example, if you have Kindle device, you can just send it to Kindle. Yeah, you can do it for free. And what is BIONIC reading? It's like a new method facilitating the reading process by guiding the eyes through text with artificial fixation points. As a result, the reader is only focusing on the highlighted initial letters and lets the brain complete the word. So this is how it looks like, and if you try to read it in a focused way, you can see that actually it takes you less time to read this. So yeah, you can use this converter and then just convert the files.